May pa-dragon yan si Miss Kay. Thank you, Miss Kay. Thank you so much. God bless you. Ayan na. Oh, kalma lang, Jonathan. Kalma. Thank you so much. Love you, Dobby. Tonton, Jonathan. Spender, good morning. Share po sa live. Kay Miss Kay, thank you. Ayan na. Daming naipon ngayon ni Miss Kay. Thank you, Miss Kay. Makakalapit-lapit kami sa kota. Malaki pa kulang ni Jonathan. Thank you, Dobby. Sobrang thank you. Share po sa live. Miss Kay, thank you. Oh, relax ka lang. Relax. Hindi pa nga puno eh. Hello, number 31. Good morning. Oh, wag ba ka tumalisik yung cellphone? Nagpakita si Miss Kay. Hello, Kana. Good morning. Si Sandy. Good morning, guys. Opo, Ate Ning. Si Miss Kay. Hello, Michael. Sumabay pa si Michael. Oh. Thank you, Michael. Thank you so much. Spender yan ni Jonathan, Ate Ning. Si Miss Kay. Thank you, B. Hello, Milas. Good morning. Hello, Blue. Good morning, Blue. Si number 13. Hello sa'yo, guys. Hello, Princess. Good morning. Oh, kalma lang, kalma. Hello, Mr. Honey Boy. Good morning.